Hello students, welcome to online classes of Shri Mahavir International School. Today I will introduce you the first chapter, that is our food. So our food means whatever we eat. Okay, that is our food. So first let's begin. Look at these images. Tick one things that you are fond of eating. That means you have to tick. You have five images. First one is of mango. Second one is of water. Third one is of watermelon. Fourth one is of chicken. Fifth one is of jam. So what you have to do? You have to tick only the food items which you were fond of. That means you like the most. You have to tick them only out of 5. Now next thing, why do we need food? So why we eat food? Can you guess? Yes, because we feel low. We want some energy, so we eat the food. Like you daily have one glass of milk in the morning because you should get instant energy with the help of milk, like that only. We need food to grow because as a child you need nutrition and other healthy things so that your growth should be good. Food gives us energy to do work, play, study and think. Food help us to fight diseases and serve food items which are necessary in life that help us to have healthy living. Food also help us to become strong and healthy because if we daily eat apple and other fruits, we stay healthy. That's why doctor also advise you to have fresh fruits and green leafy vegetables in your diet so that you can be a healthy person. In a day, we normally eat three main meals. First, in the morning, what you eat? That is your breakfast. Second, in the afternoon, we have lunch. And in night, we have dinner. So, we have three main meal time. We eat different kind of food every day. Each food item is useful for our body. Food is very necessary because it keeps our body healthy and active also. If we don't eat food, you observe that when you are hungry, you don't have the an energy to step out or to walk properly because you want the food. That's why food help us to have energy to do different kind of work, to play different kind of game. We need the food. Now the next point is different types of food. So there are various types of food items, but first type of food is energy giving food. Energy giving food are the foods which provide us energy, like rice, wheat, sugar, jaggery, ghee and butter. Bodybuilding foods and bodybuilding food help us to build our body, that make our bones and muscles strong. So these items are called bodybuilding item, like milk, fish, meat, pulses, cheese and paneer. Milk is very good for our health. We should drink at least one glass of milk every day. So start, if you are not drinking the milk, start drinking milk from now onwards. As a matter of fact, Chocolates have sugar in them. They give us energy too. But eating too many chocolates is bad for our teeth. As a kid, you like to eat different kind of chocolates. They are good to give you energy, but they are bad for your teeth. So avoid eating too much chocolates. Only eat one chocolate in a day or in a week. That is enough. So next is your protective food. Third type of food is protective food that protect you or your body from diseases and help you to remain healthy. Example are fruits and vegetable. Balanced diet. Balanced diet, that means the diet which have all the nutrients and minerals which are useful for your body, for your health. A meal that includes some amount of bodybuilding food, energy giving food, and protective food is called a balanced diet. We should also drink 8 to 10 glasses of water every day, and you should always in a day drink 8 to 10 glasses of water. Water helps in digestion of the food we eat because water is very essential for our body. As you know, 70% of our body is covered with water only. It also helps us to throw out the harmful things from the body. Sources of food. Next is sources of food. From where we get the food? We get food from plants and animals. The food we get from plants are fruits, vegetables, rice, corn, wheat, and other type of crops also we have from the plants. Can you name two other foods we get from plants? So you should write other food item which we get from plants, okay, in your notebook. The food we get from animals are, and second source of food is animals. They provide us various kind of food like milk, eggs, honey, meat, butter. Okay, milk is provided by cow, buffalo, goat. Okay, and eggs are provided by hen and duck. Honey is provided by honeybee. Meat is provided by you can say goat or hen. Hen provides us chicken, and butter is a milk product. So these items we get from animals. Last type of food item is junk food that is loved by the children. You love to eat pizzas, burgers, potato chips, and cold drinks, but they are not good for our body. We should not have too much of junk food as we may fall ill because of the junk foods because they have oil, too much oil in them, and they are also made up of some chemicals. So some chemicals, preservatives are also included to keep them fresh. So you should not eat junk food too many times, only once a week or 1 2 times in a month. Food habits. People who eat cereals, pulses, fruits and vegetables along with fresh meat, fish, meat and eggs are called non-vegetarian. That means they have the um, plant product also and animal product also they eat. People who do not eat fish, meat, and eggs are called vegetarian. That means they eat only fruits and vegetables and only the products of plant only, not animal products. Sometimes they also do not eat garlic and onion. Like Jain people, they do not eat garlic and onion also. Some people do not eat fish, eggs, meat, as well as all other food obtained from animals, such as milk and milk products. They are called vegans. Okay, they are called vegans because they do not eat animal products and also the milk products. Raw food and cooked food. We eat most fruits without cooking because we eat fruits as a raw and fresh. We eat vegetables such as cucumber, tomatoes, carrot, and radish without cooking. These are called raw food. We can make a tasty salad by slicing cucumber, radish, onion, tomatoes, and adding salt and lemon juice. If you have guest or you want some other things to do with your vegetables, you can make the salad with it by slicing them and having adding the salt and also the lemon juice. We cook pulses, cereals, and vegetables such as potatoes and cauliflower before eating. These are called cooked food. We mainly cook all the vegetables. Only some vegetables are there where which we can eat raw as radish, carrot, and some other are there. So, what we have learned, meals in a day. We have three meals in a day: breakfast in the morning, lunch in the afternoon, dinner in night. And sources of food, we have two main sources of food. That is, we get the food from plants, okay, like fruits and vegetables, and from animals like eggs, meat, milk, honey. Okay, types of food: energy giving food, bodybuilding food, protective food, junk food. Cooking. So we can eat raw food also by not cooking it, by not by having them fresh only. Okay, and cook, that means we can fry them in a oil or we can heat them in water, so that is cooked. Food habits. So various kinds of people have various kind of food habits. Like vegetarian, they eat only fresh fruits, vegetables, and only the plant products, whatever we get from plants only. Non-vegetarian people, they eat the plant product also, that means fruits, vegetables, and also the animal products like eggs, meat. Okay, and vegans, they only eat the plant products but they do not eat milk or other animal products.